Today, I'm here to recite the poem Wolfgang by Elizabeth Peczynski. Elizabeth Peczynski is a Canadian poet. She was nominated by the Governor General's Award for Poetry in 2006. The poem Wolfgang is inspired by another poem of the same by Max Shadow. The poem is the point of view of a woman killed by a man. Wolfgang. It was down the road he brought me, still in the trunk of his car. I won't say it felt right, but did it feel expected? The way you know your blood can spring like a hydrant? That September, the horses were murdered in the valley. I'd come home to visit the family, getting a couple of weeks of free food, and hooked up with a guy I had known when I was a kid. And things went bad. When he caught me, I remember looking down, my blood surprising his paper snake sleeping from a tin. He danced my own basement apartment, dumped me on the Chesterfield, sat down beside me, and lit a He seemed a black bear on the glow, shoulders rounder under his clothes. So I tried to remember everything I knew about the black bears. Whistle while you walk, carry bells. If you don't know the rhythm, they won't bother you. Play dead. Everything slowed. I will tell a secret. It's hard to kill a girl. You got to cut her bad, or we got to cut her right. And the boy had a neither. Pain rose along the side of my body like light. I lay while he smoked beside me. This boy I came with every summer since we were 12. The lakes are quiet. You could hear the sound of herons skim the water at dusk, or a sound of boys breathing. I came to in the trunk of his car, gravel kicking up against the frame, dust coming through the cracks. I was charmed. I was thirsty. I couldn't move my hands or legs. The pain was still around. I think I was tired. We drove that way for a long time before the Chrysler finally slowed, then stopped. Gravel crunching under tires. I could smell the lake. A place where as kids we do some we'd never be seen. Logs grew up from that lake, but old black ponds racing from black water. I remember we'd always smelled of lake water and of sex by the end of the day. And there was a Patsy Clyde we'd always sing on our way out, which is what I thought we'd be doing that September afternoon. That or smoking up in his garage. You know you hear about the body all the time. They found the body was found, and then you are one. Someone told me the place had been a valley, before the dam, before the town, but that was a long time ago. When the engine stopped, I heard the silver sort of keys in the lock, and then I was up on his shoulder, tasting blood. I think he said my name. I think he walked through the woods. Thank you.